Okay, it's the 10th of December. This is your 48-hour update. Um, it's free for this, but tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, I will. If you haven't paid a membership to get into this, then you'll be back to being a private page, and you'll have to go to Facebook for your one video if you want to go there. But anyway, this is for Western Pennsylvania. Right now, they got some showers moving through, just like everybody else does. But you can see a push as we get towards the late evening hours. This is around 9 o'clock. Could even be a rumble of thunder out here with this line right here as it starts to come through. Temperatures right now out there, you can see they're push of warm air right here. Why there might be a thunderstorm. Temperatures are in the 50s right through here, but you can see the frontal system back here. Um, it's a definitive line as you can see it. As we get through the nighttime hours, you can see that kind of swinging down. And then these temperatures right here are where they're gonna clash, and that's where you're gonna have, like I said, could be a rumble of thunder, but then all the moisture is gonna push off to the east and over around midnight, and then there'll be a little bit more starts to come through around 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it coming up, and this is around 10 o'clock, and you can see most of the viewing area here from State College to Bradford to Harris to Pittsburgh down to Altoona and Johnstown. You got rain going on, but if you look out here on the edges here, you can see some snow as it's coming across. And what'll happen is on the back side of this, it'll change to snow. Now, this is around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's changing to snow out by Pittsburgh, some of the higher elevations here as this starts to come through. This takes you to around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not a heavy snow, but there's snow. But these temperatures are going to rock bottom really quick. I mean, you can look where the 50s were at. Look at you get down where it was 50 some degrees. It's now 33, almost freezing. And you can see a lot of areas up north of Pittsburgh are down to freezing temperatures, and then they'll just keep dropping. Precipitation with this whole thing will move to the east slowly. This is around, let's see, this is around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. This takes you to around 8 o'clock, and you can see it's all moving off. And then the squall action is going to pick up. But the directions of the squalls, as you can see here, are going to be up towards New York and not so much down into Pennsylvania, at least at the start. But there'll still be some snow showers and stuff going across through the mountainous areas up here as we get down. Now this is Thursday morning around 4. Here's Thursday morning around 5, and then we'll take this out to 7 a.m. And you can see right along the coast here, and that's where the highway's at. It's really coming down in Pennsylvania here, and then it goes up into New York. This down here is really not much to worry about, but they're going to get a pretty good dump up there, and you can see it. This takes you to around 10 o'clock in the morning. This takes you to around noontime tomorrow, or noontime Thursday, and then it kind of moves to the north. Total snow accumulation from this, um, you can see it's not a lot. Most areas it's a dusting. Higher elevations you can get a couple of inches, maybe the highest peaks 4 or 5. But here's your off the lakes here. Some areas off the lakes could get up to 15, 16 inches. And these white areas here could be talking about 2 feet. So you need to see where those bands set up, and you all know out there where you get this. I don't think you want to be traveling from Erie on up through Buffalo along the highway there. That's always a zone where everybody gets trapped. So that's that. All right. So that's your latest update for the next 24 hours or 48 hours. Take it easy.